So I've installed the DND Performance Interior Quick Release and Short Hub the way that they want you to. And in all honesty, I'm not a huge fan because you have to push this collar away from the steering wheel in order to push the steering wheel off. And I figured, that seems kind of counterintuitive. So I went ahead and bought the Sparco Mazda hub. As you can see, it's a bit deeper. You can definitely fit the horn portion of the quick release into here and make it to where you can pull the collar of the quick release away and pull the steering wheel off instead of pushing it away from the steering wheel. So like I said, the way that this quick release works is you have to push the collar away from the steering wheel and pull the steering wheel off. Now the spline section is on the steering wheel currently, but I think it would be better against the hub so that you could pull this piece towards you and have this section bolted to the steering wheel, and it will probably make it a whole lot easier than having to do that. So this is basically a continuation from my old steering wheel video that I posted not too long ago. This is basically me just swapping out the hubs. So here I'm just unbolting the screws and hardware that's connected to the steering wheel and unscrewing the screws that's holding in the base plate for the quick release connecting to the hub. Once we have that off, we can go ahead and grab our impact and remove that 21mm bolt again to remove the old hub. Since this is already an aftermarket hub, I'm going to go ahead and use a really long screwdriver and a rubber mallet to help persuade the hub to come apart from the steering shaft. And then here's our new one, fitting it right on. It fits perfectly. Once the spline section of the quick release is connected to the hub, we can then install the actual release collar back onto the steering wheel the way I think it's properly meant to be. It's all put back together, we can go ahead and slide our quick release back on and go driving. This is a bit of a shorter video, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more mediocre tutorials, please consider subscribing.